All right, on the bench today I have the UHF dual karaoke wireless microphone system. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And it arrived just like this. Very nice packaging. I've already opened this up and played with it a little bit, but I wanted to repackage it and show me unboxing it. Inside the package you're going to get these pretty easy to read instructions. Tell you everything you need to know. It's super simple to use and I will show you all of that. You're going to get two microphones, the receiver. You get a couple of pop screens if you want to use them. They're included. You get two anti-roll devices. These just go on here if you want to use them. They're actually kind of cool if you're in an event and you set the mic down and you don't want it to roll on you. You can just put these on and keep that from happening. I like that. You get a 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch adapter, always handy. A USB to Type-C cable and 3 rechargeable battery, because these are rechargeable devices. You just plug the Type-C in right there. So they are made of plastic and they are super lightweight. Let's get a look at the top here. So simple to use. First thing you want to do is put the batteries in, charge them up. You got a positive and a negative. Negative always goes on the spring right here. Load that guy up. Easy to put these in. You just unscrew the bottom portions right here. Again, make sure you've got the polarity right. Spring goes on the negative side. Pop that in. Screw it on. When you do recharge these, you just plug it in at the bottom. You can see the little light come on here. I believe it goes red to blue or red to green when it's finished. And when you want to turn these on, first thing you do, you got an on-off switch right here. So we'll turn on the receiver. You can see it's blinking back and forth, green and blue. Each of these devices has its own color. So you just press and long hold the microphone here. You can see it's lighting up. And we've got a solid blue indicating that we have hooked up to one of the microphones. Now we do the second one, turns on, and you can see now that we have a solid light. Two solid lights were connected to both microphones. And you're going to want to do these microphones one at a time. And now that you've just got them turned on and ready to go, you just plug it in and roll. And we'll do a test. So here we go. Let me hold these things back. We'll make sure the volume's not cranked. Turn on your amp, whatever your device is. There we go. I got one of them plugged in. Here's the other one. Check that out. Two mics ready to go. All right, I'm going to do a little test for you. And I'm going to turn off one of these mics so I don't get any feedback. And I've got this volume right now on about 2. It's barely on there. So I'm going to put my lapel mic right here by the speaker and we'll do a little test. All right, so my yard is about 40 foot long. I'm going to go out that fence and turn left and walk as far as I can, and we'll see how long until it breaks up. Here we go. All right, let's see how far we go. I'm out about 20 feet right now. I'm at 30 foot. I'm at 40 foot. Going through the fence, around a bunch of trees and obstacles. Let's see how long this thing lasts before it breaks up. I'm at about 50 feet, 60 feet, and I'm at the road. There's a garbage truck. All right, I'm walking back. About 70 feet, 60 feet, 50 feet. There's my dog. 40 feet, and I'm coming back in through the fence. 40 foot and in. I think it held up good because I should actually hear it at the road. There we go. Works good. I like it. And I'm back from the test. There you go. An easy to use wireless mic system that would be great for karaoke, obviously for singing along with your favorite songs. Maybe band practice, perfect for a drummer. You got that long chord run back to the drums. For emceeing, obviously, maybe for DJing, for parties, for speeches, office meetings, all kinds of uses. Very super easy to use with this plug and play design. Very nice.